Hi, I'm Karen from 24 Hour Bookkeeper. Why should you care about managing a construction budget? We all know we should be managing a construction budget, but you're likely too busy working on the actual project. When you finally get a chance to catch up, it's the last thing on your mind. Managing a construction budget is crucial to your business and its profitability. The main reason you want to put a construction budget together is because you want to manage your expenses and your revenue to ensure you're profitable on the job. It would be a shame to put all that time, resource, and money into a project only to find out at the end that you didn't make any money. If you had the opportunity to make real-time decisions throughout the project that would guarantee profitability, I'm pretty sure you'd take it. You'll actually be surprised how easy it is to put a construction budget together because you've already done the majority of the work. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So the first thing you should do is create a template to use over and over. Use the same template on every project to save time. When I said you've done the majority of the work, I'm talking about the fact that you've already completed an estimate. This estimate already holds all the pertinent information required for your budget. The goal will be to stick to those numbers, right? What if it was just as simple as taking your estimate, putting it in a different spreadsheet, and then recording costs against those line items? This is basically your budget. Before we go over how to create a basic construction budget, let me talk to you about incorporating construction software into this equation. Ideally, you're going to want to get into some type of software that can help manage this budget for you because it's a little bit more involved than just entering a couple numbers. You might be using change orders or purchase orders throughout your job, and to have a place where that can be housed and managed is really important. There are multiple software applications out there that allow you to manage all those pieces, and they all connect back to the budget. What's cool about using something like this is you can literally log in, go right to your budget, and see all your costs that are allocated to the line items. Find out if they're over or under your estimated amount, and see the changes throughout the job that affected costs. A lot of the time, using a construction software is a little bit more user-friendly, and they might have templates and processes already in place, so all you have to do is plug in and go. You can use these templates whether you're fixed fee or cost plus. If you're not really ready for construction management software, let me give you a basic example of what you can do to put a construction budget together for a job. You can either search for one online or you can create one from scratch. Here, I have a basic example of what you'd want to put together. You'd want to include the tasks or cost codes on the first column. This is the category or phases of the project with some detailed sub-items. You can be as detailed as you want, or you can clump line items together. For example, you might have estimated a number for wood floors, carpet, and tile, but maybe you want to just manage flooring materials as your one category rather than each individual item. Then, create a column for labor, materials, subcontractor, and other costs. This is where you'll plug in your costs throughout the project. Make sure to create a column for your budget numbers, your actual numbers, and another column to calculate the difference called over/under. Now that my basic template is put together, I will want to put my estimated numbers in the budget column. Remember, you already have this information. You might not be a pro at Excel formulas, so you might have to have someone help you. Every time you want to record costs, you would add it here so you can keep this budget updated. Throughout the project, you can see your profitability by phase, as well as the overall profitability on the project. Please know that it gets a little deeper than this, but at minimum, you now have a basic idea of what a basic budget looks like. Even if your budget is imperfect, it's better than having none at all. We're not in business because the sky is blue, and there is no shame in making money. The best thing you can do is to start putting budgets together for your jobs and managing them ongoing so you can make real-time financial decisions related to that project and make sure that you are making money. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to click subscribe. You can also find more info on financial management by going to our website at 24hourbookkeeper.com, which can be found in the comments. See ya!